Dear brothers and sisters, we all same human being. Different color, different race, different nationalities, different religion, doesn't matter. We all same human being. In fact, entire 6 billion human beings are same. Mentally, emotionally, physically, same. Now today's reality, your livelihood very much depends on other continent. We have to think the well-being of entire humanity. So sense of global responsibility come only through sense of concern of well-being of other. So therefore, the sense of compassion or sense of concern of other is the key factor to bring real peace, real happy world.